It's an hour underneath it, and it's pretty apparent. I've put a short on for this. This is the low engine mount here. Right. So here's the low engine mount. If I grab the engine and just pull it, you can see that mount is totally shot. So we're going to replace that. Hey YouTube, got this little smart car up in the air. Customer's complaint with it is very bad vibration from the back. So let's find out what it is and see how we repair it. Hope you enjoy. Here we go. Right, they're loosened off. Right, this where it goes through the mountain there. There's a nut on the back. I didn't need a spanner for that, but if you do, it's an 18. And this end's captivated, so there's no nut on the back of that that you need to close out. And keep the bolts in order because they're probably different. Which they are. So the one towards the front of the car is longer than the one at the rear of the car. That wasn't really doing anything at all. So here's the new one. It'll only go on one way, it's wider here, so you can't get that wrong, hopefully. Offer this up. So we've got that bolt sighted by hand, loose. There, need to get this in a position where we can start it. Come on, Richard. That's the way. Do it like that with a screwdriver and then it stays where you want it. It's not quite right yet. Oh yeah, 1 second, and it's back. So now it's basically bolting it up. Won't go mad with that one yet, until we start bolting up the other one, then we can go mad. So we get the spanner on that this time. You have to check your own torque settings for this. Just torque them up. There you go. Just make sure that nut on the back isn't spinning. And that should stop all the nasty vibration. Now there's no movement on this thing at all. Ugh. I hope you enjoyed that video on this little smart car. Yeah, so if you've got vibrations from the back of the vehicle, check your engine mounts. This one was, well, as you can see, that engine mount was knackered. Anyway, if you enjoy what I'm doing, please like, subscribe, hit the bell to get notified of new videos as and when they come out, and please leave your comments, questions in the box below. Thanks for watching.